How to download Minecraft on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you are here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Search tab. You can use the search bar at the top to find specific games, apps, stories, and more. Tap on the search bar and type in Minecraft. From the list of search results, find and tap Minecraft to purchase. On this page, you can see ratings, reviews, and a description of the app. To buy the app, tap on the blue button that displays its price. A confirmation pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen. This will show the app's name, price, and the account being used for the purchase. You will be prompted to double-click the side button to complete the payment. Following these steps, you can easily download Minecraft on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.